How you get that? Wow.
It is the Picasso Tiles magnetic marble run set. It's just so exciting. I feel like a kid again. I know it's for my kids this holiday, but just want to dive right in and get to it. Who doesn't like imaginative play? It's a wonderful idea for open play, right? I imagine my kids are going to spend a lot of time working on this and constructing different ways to have the marble go down. So I haven't actually looked at it yet. This is my unboxing, my first impression, and it's pretty good. Yeah, I got the bigger set because with these things, bigger is better, right? Okay. Picasso Tiles Steam. They have a little booklet here with some creative ideas. Oh, that's so thoughtful. How nice. Oh, it's a really nice brochure. This is not a flimsy thing, so maybe it won't get ripped for once, right? That's so cool. Look, you have 30 ideas. I'm seeing 30 different ideas to work with. This is what it looks like in the box. Very nice. Everything is wrapped individually. Nice quality. Okay, it does bend. It does have a little bend there. Okay. My main concern is, I mean, I've tried some other types of marble games where you construct it, but it always seems flimsy and it falls over, and it's just really hard to keep it together, which is kind of disappointing when you work so hard. See how they make a space for the tunnels to go through. Oh, I see. They kind of like hole punches. That's neat. Yeah. Put two together even. Yeah. Nice. Kind of like little like studs going in, and it kind of clips right in. Oh, very good. Now that there's the two together and the two tunnels, or the two tubes, it's really much more sturdy. Very nice. Okay. Well, I would be careful if you have little ones around, you know. It's always a thing. You want to have a grown-up around watching at all times. It seems like it has a magnet inside as well. It's kind of got some weight to it too. First impressions of the unboxing, I'm really excited. It looks like an excellent quality. It looks sturdy enough to handle the task, and I'm probably going to be more excited to play with this than my kids at first. We'll see. We all have a kid inside of us, right? But there's 100 pieces, so you have tons and tons of options, and you even have this very thoughtfully made idea booklet with 30 different ideas in it to get you started and really get those creative juices flowing, right? So we're going to definitely be playing with this.